Namaskar. Okay, sure. Okay, dear. Where are you from originally?
I'm from Nepal. Originally, I'm from
Nepal.
Nepal. I'm from
Yes.
Kathmandu.
Uh, are you Muslim or
No, I'm Hindu.
Hindu? Okay, actually, religion is doesn't matter. Just we are human, so we have to
No,
respect each other, right?
I have get that question many times today.
Okay, okay. So what do you do, dear?
I'm a student. Currently, I'm studying.
Is today? Or college or
Yes,
varsity? Which
in college,
college?
university.
University. That's
Yes.
good. So basically, what do you do? And anywhere, any something to something in your life? What do you do?
Mm, I'm currently studying MSc Physics. Okay.
Okay,
Mm, I want to try doing some research work. I have done some research work.
so that's good. So what is your future plan? What do you want to do in your future?
I want to pursue career in MS in physics. I can say
Physics.
that. So
That's
I'll
good.
try doing that, either staying in country or doing going abroad, just like
Oh,
that.
sure. I really appreciate you. So I wish you can do something in your life. So do you have parents?
Yeah, yes. I have mother. I have father.
Okay, that's good. Actually, unfortunately, I don't have parents.
Oh,
They are
sorry for that.
passed away many years ago. They are passed away many years ago.
So,
Uh,
where are you from, Bangladesh?
I am from Bangladesh, Chittagong. Do you know Chittagong?
Oh no, I
It's
think
a,
I have heard some place like that, but
actually in our country. It's a big city, Chittagong. Dhaka is our capital, so it is second
yes,
city in Chittagong.
I have only heard about Dhaka.
Oh yes. So have you visited in Bangladesh?
No, no, no.
You didn't have visit. Actually, I know Nepal is near of India. It's near of India, close India, right?
Yes, most of the places are attached.
Oh,
Must
that is.
we share many borders with India?
Oh, that's good. Good. Actually, in Nepal is have a lot of Porjotok area. Am I right?
Positive what?
Porjotok. That
I don't
means.
understand that.
Oh, sorry.
Can you repeat?
Actually, visiting area.
Oh, tourist area you say.
Tourist areas. I'm
Yes,
really sorry.
Nepal has many tourist area.
Yes.
You can say Mount Everest at first.
Yeah. Everest. Everest is yeah. Himalaya Everest is in Nepal.
Yes,
It's a
yes.
big Himalaya Everest. It's a big hill. So
And
in
you
the
can
world.
say Lumbini also, the birthplace of Gautam Buddha.
Uh, yeah.
You
Of
can
course.
visit there if you are planning to come Nepal.
Sure. Inshallah, I will try. Inshallah. Actually, I have a lot
There
of
are
plan.
many places to visit.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Actually, I have a plan. In one day, I want to visit in world. So, I have a lot of financial problems. So that's why I can't visit anywhere
Yes, bro.
in other country.
Everyone problem is that, bro.
Really. So actually, I'm common family person, but I have a job as well as doing digital marketing work in learning now.
Okay.
So it is my part of life. Actually, uh, I have a job as well as I'm doing do something in online.
Okay.
Okay, and I want to improve my speaking English. Actually, I have a big plan in my future. So I want to do something in my future by English. So that's why I took English. I want to learn English.
Um, I have to say, your
Okay, sure.
English language is very good. It's
Thank you
better
so
than
much.
mine. I
Oh,
understand that.
no, dear. You know better than me. I really appreciate you. How old are you, if you don't mind? How old are you?
I am 27.
27. We are both similar. Just I'm 28 plus.
You're 28. Okay. No, by looking at you, I cannot guess 28. I think you are 23 or 24, just like that.
Oh God. Actually, age is doesn't matter. You can't understand if you see any kind of people appear. You can't guess it. In lot of people
Yeah,
in the
you're
world.
right.
I hope you got it. So actually, look like you can see my beat. It's actually I'm Muslim, so beats is our prophet of Sunnah. So that's why I
Okay.
say I took beat. So can we see? Look like I'm old.
No, I don't think you are 28.
Thank you. Actually, some people they are confusing. It is not my age. It is not correct age in my in for me. A lot of people say something like this. So dear, if
So
you
you say you have YouTube channel?
yes, I have a YouTube channel, but currently I don't work it. I collected a video. I want to conversation. I want to make conversation video. So that's why first of all I need to. I have a target. I want to collect lot of video. Then I will start my YouTube channel. Also, I
So
have
you
to
have
do.
not uploaded any video?
I doing here almost. I working here almost 2 days. Just 2 days.
Okay, you are
So
just starting.
I just starting. It's a beginner time now. So actually, I have a lot of plan there. If you don't mind, actually, I have a lot of plan. I want to learn English. It's very very important for me. I want to say. So if
Okay.
you tell me how can I improve my speaking English and how can I, what should I do, follow in for my enhance speaking English. So if you explain something, it will be very very helpful for me. So could you explain
My
me?
only suggestion is you start to watch English movies.
Sure.
If you have difficulties, first watch with subtitle
Subtitle. Sure.
and gradually try to watch without subtitle. Then your English will be better.
So thank you, thank you for the
And best
suggestion.
way to improve English is just like this, speaking with random person.
Random process really. So that's why I came here this application. So how many days you using this application?
No, I just used today.
Only
Just
today?
used today.
Just today? Oh shit.
I've used this app a long time ago. I think 10, 12 years ago. There was only time of typing.
Yeah, yeah. There it
And
was typing
recently,
fast.
Hmm,
Mm.
I've seen a lot of videos in Facebook, Instagram related to this app. So I
Oh,
said,
sure.
let's try it today. I've just started today,
Oh, that's good, good.
and I think I've the longest I've spoken here with you.
Okay. You actually just you are beginning today. Am I right?
Yes,
So
yes.
first of all, initially you were speaking English very good. Actually, when I was started my speaking English, uh, I was too much an how can I talk front of people? I
Oh,
didn't know any
yeah.
vocabulary. How can I? Actually, it's too much. I feel hesitation, embarrassed, scared. Too much. In my when I started my speaking English journey.
So that is also my problem. If you speak English, whatever you can say, I will understand. But
Yeah.
if I have to speak, then I will not find word to speak. Yeah.
Sure, sure. Actually, initially it is happened, doesn't matter, but it is happened.
Yes.
Actually, mistake is doesn't matter. Just if you make mistake, you, I want to say if you make mistake one, you can learn 10 word. If you mistake any one word,
Oh, yes, I can get that.
so
But I'm
this
not
is
afraid
very
of
helpful for
mistake.
us. Yeah, sure.
It take a lot of practice to speak better.
Yeah, sure, of
I
course.
can
Actually,
understand. I can write easily. Yes, I can understand
uh,
easily, but I cannot speak.
oh dear, I have a problem. Actually, when I write anything in English, I make lot of spelling mistakes. So how can I reduce my spelling mistake? Could you tell me something?
Mm,
It's big
uh,
mistake in my life.
for you start to learn English. How much time ago?
I have been learning English, if I say, almost 2 years plus.
Just 2 years. You have learned
2 years
speaking.
plus. Uh,
Okay.
Actually, I don't have any high level education. Do you, if
In
you
school, they don't teach English.
actually, my actually, if I say my about my school, in my country, if I say so. Currently, any high school or primary school, they don't take any action for learn English.
Okay.
It's not too much effective for learn English,
Mm.
and it's not too much intensive for learning English. So just they are taking class 20, 30 minute, 40 minute. So they are we are memorize answer, and my teacher is question us. We are saying answer just like this. It's not too much for learning English.
Okay.
It's not they
So,
don't take any pressure for learning English.
to answer that your question, how can
Yeah,
you improve
yeah,
your spelling?
sure,
I have to say that just like speaking practice, also we can do writing practice also.
writing best.
So think of a topic like something random topic. Think of a
Uh,
topic and try to write some pages.
yeah, sure,
Nowadays, you can easily check grammar. You can easily check spelling by typing also.
sure, of course.
So
Actually,
instead of
yeah, sure,
writing in copy, so just you type in your computer. Think of a topic and you type. Try to type for 4 minutes, 5 minutes in your
shit.
computer. And there is spelling checking software. Many software which can check spelling. You can check
Yeah,
grammar. So I will say you can practice writing also.
sure, of course. Inshallah, I will try my best. I actually, I have a job, so I don't have much time. So I have to manage my time every day. So I try to
Yeah,
write something. It's very, very. If I say it's very, very pressure for me
yeah, I can
because
also
today
understand.
I came from my office 7 p.m. It's night.
Okay,
So after finish my office, I have performed first 5 time prayer. I mean Asher prayer. After finish my prayer, I took my dinner. After finish my dinner, I now came my room. So I opened my desktop. So I I thinking I need to practice in English. So how can I practice? So I guess something I need to talk. I need to go Umogol. Yeah, there this application is very easily for practicing in English. So that's why I came here first. First of all, I got you. Now I'm talking with you.
You are wearing that headphone. Yes, I think you are YouTuber. My first guess was you were
Also,
YouTuber.
actually no, actually dear, I'm a digital marketer. Also, I have a website. I'm working digital marketing. So
By listening your English, I'm ashamed of giving you advice. I think your English is pretty good.
thank you. You
I
too, you
I
too.
I can't believe that you are just practicing for 2 days.
Oh, that's good. Actually, I want to say you better than me because today just started you. So when I was like you, it was my too much scared, too much embarrassed, too much hesitation. I was feel when I did your situation. When I did feel your situation.
There is nothing to be embarrassed.
Yeah, sure.
Everybody loves like that. Yes.
Yes. Okay, dear. It's a nice conversation with you. So I
Okay.
really
Yes.
appreciate you.
Nice to meet
You
you
give me
also.
too much time.
I also
Okay.
came here. Just
Yeah.
I'm bored, so it's very nice to talk to you.
Thank you. Also, this application have some rowdy person. They are always when I saw something, when I saw his any other person, they are try to avoid us. Always avoid. Actually,
They
yesterday,
came here with different purpose. So
yeah, yesterday I got a application. It was It was a Omo TV. Do you know Omo TV?
I think this Omo
It
TV
is like
that
this, like
other
Omogol, similar. They are similar both.
yeah.
So yesterday I using this time Umo TV. So someone came just came. Uh, Instead, he's avoiding me too much, avoiding me too much.
Yes,
Just came.
in this platform also you are only who speak with me more than I think it's been more 10 minutes. I don't know actual time, but
It's timer
everyone
was at
will just speak
14
for
minutes. Almost 15 minutes gone.
15 minutes.